To mamoko bende ni kambi mar chiwo chenro mag omenda Zamara Group koro nosidho chenro mar konyo e yor omenda ma bende koro dhi nywando nyaka jokanyo mag Jua Kali. Mano en achiel kuom chakruok mag chenro ma bende koro nigi time counties ariyo. Owinjore kaka weche ne chalo.
The Kenya National Federation of Jua Kali Association was formed in 1992 to advocate for the interests of the development and promotion of the Jua Kali sector. Today, we are here today with the Zamara Group because it's a very exciting moment for the Jua Kali sector as we are progressing in our dialogue towards dignifying the future of the artisans or the Jua Kali sector in this country. And we are dignifying the future of the Jua Kali sector in this country through a dignified program that we have sat together with Zamara. And Zamara seems to be like the only organization that had the patience to listen to the Jua Kali sector and craft a program that is understandable, flexible, and useful to the Jua Kali sector. And the product, as you can see here, is called Fahari ya Jua Kali. This is a program where our Jua Kali sector artisans can save whatever amount they want, either daily or per month. It also has a last respect component in it that is also very exciting.
As Zamara, we are very proud and delighted to have a partnership with the Kenya National Federation of Jua Kali Associations to create Fahari ya Jua Kali. Fahari ya Jua Kali is a holistic solution for the Jua Kali sector. It is about bringing pensions to the unpensioned. It is about bringing insurance to the uninsured. It is about bringing savings to those who are not currently saving. Fahari ya Jua Kali, it's a complete solution. The primary purpose is to get people to save for the long term, for their old age, but the savings that are there can also be used for other purposes. We also have valuable insurance covers that are embedded. So as Mr. Moteti has mentioned, we have a last expense, last respect cover for only 100 shillings per annum. One can get a last respect cover of 25,000 shillings. For only 400 shillings, it is 100,000 shillings.